Hello, my name is Val, and this is solo jazz at Uptown Swing, and we did improvisation and solo jazz. So we started with just walking, and we talked how walking can be like very dancey, and you can adjust timing to fit the music and do whatever you feel inspired by music. Then we took several moves, several simple moves, and we worked on them. So we had the rocks or alleluias, hop, switch to the other side, hey, hey. Then we did jazz part, pop, pop, pop. You also switch to the other side, hey, hey. And then we had boogie drop. So we had boom, pop, pop, boom, pop, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we put that into our exercise of just like walking around, and then you add the move. Yeah? Continue walking, and then when you feel inspired, you can add those steps there. Then we talked about changing the timing of those steps. So we move like this one, that usually takes 2 beats each step. Sometimes you could make that faster, make it slower. We talked about like sometimes it's harder to go slower, sometimes it's harder to go faster. Also depends on the person. And so we practiced that with all of those different moves. And then we practiced camel walk. So we started with just like practicing this thing. Like you pull one knee out, and then you put it into a step. So like you're stepping on it straight, while the other leg goes very bad, and you really want that contrast. So you first go just like boom, 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 boom. We talked about how you want to almost kind of like fall forward. You really don't want to go like this, like creeping thing. It doesn't work that way. You want to have like this. And then we put it inside of this pattern. Show it this way. So you go side, side, up, up, up. And you can take a little break there, so you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can just go each beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's a 6 count. So we practiced that and put that into our dancing. Did that a bunch, and it was great, and we'll continue.